Stuffed tomatoes. Spice up the ground meat with salt, pepper, seasoning powder, onion powder, garlic powder. Mix it well. Cut the heads of all the tomatoes. Hollow them out and keep the insides. Now fill the tomatoes up with the meat. Cut half a paprika and 1 onion. Grab a mixer and throw in the onion, the insides of the tomatoes, and the paprika. Mix it well. Chop some cilantro. Put some olive oil in a pan and put in the stuffed tomatoes. Grab another pan and put some olive oil in. Throw in the mixture. Salt. Seasoning powder. Garlic powder. Pepper. Honey. Put the stuffed tomatoes in. Enjoy.